Hello, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. A band called Mortem. They're from Norway, and I have a vague ghost of a memory of this band, but I just cannot remember. They've been around for a while, and I think they went away. And now they've come back, if you see what I mean. Don't quote me on any of this. But this is a fairly up to date, it's like a year or so old, I think. This was recommended to me, and when it was recommended to me, I thought, Mortem. I've heard of that, but can't remember. So this is Fallow Season by Mortem. I'm not sure what I can say, really. Because that's the problem with not knowing anything about them. Or is that a good thing? Oh, that's a good thing. Mera Luna. Welcome to Norway. Rock and roll.
Like fast words spilled from a careless mouth, their hollow leeches preying on our minds. Small men kneel by the riverside. This will be our fallow season.
The drummer is suffering from that thing that drummers suffer from when they're making videos. He's been told not to make a noise. You watch the way he's playing, they said to him, can you just make the minimum of noise, please? Because you're making filming this really difficult. Because drums, acoustic drums just sound like cannon fire. So you watch how he's playing. Wow, rock and roll. That was much simpler than the stuff that you usually get on this channel, wasn't it? They're clearly not worried about their image. Or you could argue that that is their image. Their image is they're not worried about their image. But it had an integrity to it, I think. They've been around for a long time. So they're musicians doing what they do in the way they want to do it. Here we are, take us or leave us. Yeah, I liked it. It's not something I would personally just listen to, I don't think. But I liked it. I've no idea what the stuff, why she suddenly had an evening dress on and a waiter, butler type guy with champagne. I don't follow. I don't know where that came from. Perhaps they're just having fun. The poor drummer has been told not to play very loudly, and you know, you can tell they're a kind of a this is who we are kind of band, because the drummer's drums didn't even match. And he probably wasn't very happy that they were getting rained on while they were filming that. Yeah, if you liked it, Madam Mortem. They've been around for quite a while. I think they've got a few albums out. Like I say, I think they went away for a while, and they've come back. But I think this is about a year old. Even though I have a vague memory of them, I didn't recognise them when they came on. But yeah, make of it what you will. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.